Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide your activity on LinkedIn and turn off your activity status. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Go to your profile and go to Settings. Click on Visibility and choose the third option, which is Edit Your Public Profile. Scroll down and toggle off your profile's public visibility to off. Go back and scroll down until you find Manage Active Status. Click on it and choose it to No One. Go back once more and change Share Job Changes to Off. Go back once again and change all the other options. Also, and that's it. You have successfully hidden your activity and turned off your online status on LinkedIn. Stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips in our next DelftStack tutorial video.